At the University of Hull, we believe that engineering has the power to change people's lives, to build a better world, and to shape a more sustainable future. We bring together mechanical, electrical and electronic, biomedical, civil and chemical engineering. 5 disciplines united by one purpose: to create solutions that truly make a difference. From your very first day, you'll learn by doing, working in cutting-edge labs and using industrial standard software and technology, tackling real-world problems that test and develop your creativity and problem-solving skills. You'll be guided by academics who are passionate about their fields, researchers and innovators who bring their experience to every project and every conversation. And with their guidance, it'll very soon be you working on the cutting edge of technology, designing and developing products that work better, last for longer, work more efficiently, and improving people's lives. You'll benefit from our research, from renewable energy, advanced manufacturing and materials, to sustainable chemistry and production, and medical engineering breakthroughs. As a student here, you won't just study engineering, you'll live it, shape it, and be part of something bigger.